a bit of a mish this weekend. We've got to get all the broken windows out, and I'm going to take them out on Monday. And also got to build up a sill where it was a door. I now have to build that up to make it so it can handle the new glass that will go in this hole here. So as you can see, there's a little bit of timber underneath that bit of ply, and so I've got to build that up so I can take a piece of glass of the same size where the door was. So we'll get into it. Rightio, I'm going to try and turn this old piece of H3.2 timber into a new sill to go on to here.
Well, good morning from me. I am just about to get stuck into some work here on the front window. This is the really big window next to the gap that we have removed last weekend. I'm taking all the putty off this today because it's going to get reglazed next week. You can see there's cracking here and here, and I'll be doing this one afterwards because it's got 3 cracks in it as well. So I'll just put this on time lapse and get stuck into it.
What you doing, Jill?
Removing putty from windows.
We are using the heat gun to soften up all the putty, and then scraping it with the chisel.
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward, but taking some time. And we've got this window, that window, and the one over there to do.
But we've done this one.
But we're almost done this big one, so that's good. And so yeah, almost there, and we'll move it to the other side.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Wow, you're faster than I am.
Bit tight up here.
Saturday afternoon and I'm just about to start these windows, give them a scrape back with a view to getting them painted hopefully tomorrow. Well, good morning. It's a lovely Sunday morning and so we're about to get back into it for the day. Kerry's going to continue setting out the profiles behind me for the deck that's at the back of the property and the ramp, or the entrance, and he set me up over here with the windows. They've been removed and I'm going to hopefully complete these toilet windows today, so we'll see how we go.
Rightio, so we need to get a ramp into this front door where the wine tasting will be. So now we're gonna set out for this. Got some piles going in. The ramp will come up here, and then there'll be a deck right along the front as well, so to join the two doors. So I'm gonna set up a formwork, and then we'll be ready for next weekend so we can drill the pile holes and get those poured. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I'll chuck it on time lapse and see if I actually achieve anything.
for a Sunday 5:30 p.m. and end of a weekend. What have we got achieved? We've got this one ready for a glazing tomorrow. Got that one ready for glazing tomorrow. Big windows here ready for that one, and that one ready for glazing. And the place is probably the tidiest we've had it for a while. So it's pretty tidy, clear of tools, because we're going to have to leave it unlocked for a couple of days with the glazing, so nothing of any value in here apart from a bit of wood. Hopefully no one comes and gets that. So the two windows out here are painted, pretty happy with how they've come out. So yeah, kind of tie into the house, yeah, maybe. And Kerry has set the profiles out and marked, put these pegs in where all the posts, augers, holes are going to be dug for posts. And then around the back, a little bit of painting done on trim, just where I can. So part of that door, part of that window, these two windows, still got to clean up the paint though, and part of that door but not the window yet. So pretty successful weekend.